This is our third opening with them in the last 12 months. So both new builds and fit outs. So for Dr Hash, it was already a relationship that was well built on communication, using local contractors as well. So because we're regional down here in Warrnambool, it was really important that we put back into the community. Peter was fantastic. I can't praise him enough. His communication was next level. Because we were trying to run a clinic at the same time as fitting out a new one, we really needed someone that we could rely on for the communication that enabled us to be involved where we wanted to be and when we had the time to be, but also when we needed to take a step back and run the clinic, knowing that we could trust Peter in still keeping things on schedule and to time. And that was done in a variety of different ways of communication. So if there was at any stage a question of where are we at, there was an email or there was a message or something, especially in written form, that over Dr Hash and myself being involved and remotely being involved, we could always look back on that communication and know where we were at. We really like that it reflects what we offer as a clinic. So it's warm and welcoming, and often in a dental environment, it does bring a lot of anxiety for our patients. So I think providing something that's welcoming to them and professional is really important when we're trying to reflect that back onto our patients. The staff are really being able to spread their wings and we've embraced the new practice. Where we were previously was quite small and it really didn't reflect what we were trying to offer to our patients. So for us as the staff, we are loving our new environment. How could you not? And then also for our patients, it is just overwhelming. The response has been really positive. I think the other surprising factor of it is the contractors that were involved. A lot of them have returned because they're so proud of their work and they want to see it finished. So Peter and his team did a really good job of finding people that had as much pride in the project as what we did. The performance of our business with the new fit out from OPTIMA has really been a positive one. I think the project's going to return to us tenfold. We've been able to have a lot of input on the floor plan and utilise our environment to how we want to run our orthodontic clinic. OPTIMA have a lot of experience in what works well, and then we knew what we wanted to be putting into that for our values, and productivity is, for us, when we can give back to our patients and our staff, and that's what we've been able to do. It's amazing. The memories from dentistry for a lot of our patients and our staff is quite a negative one. So really working on changing that for the future and the future generations. We work with all different ages in orthodontics, and I think that OPTIMA's vision aligns with ours. Creating warm, welcoming spaces that you want to enjoy, you want to attend your appointments, and patients and staff are going to get a lot out of these new spaces.